So basically, what you're gonna see throughout this is little videos that I took while I was cleaning the wheelbarrow, getting it prepped and everything. But I didn't really tell anyone I was doing it because I was kind of nervous to see their reaction. So they were originally meant for YouTube, but the way I speak is like I'm trying to not be blatantly obvious with it. So yeah, I tried, but yeah, that wheelbarrow. Thank heavens I did that. I don't think it would last another year without gaining another like 10 holes or something like that. I'll let you watch the video. Good night.
Some before and after shots. Hopefully get rid of most of this rust so we don't get a bigger hole like that. Maybe paint it afterwards. These are what I'm using. I would say this is currently going very well. You can actually start seeing the metal again. This is just a very old wheelbarrow that we never cleaned. Anyways, you can see that I started to just stand here and just bring the thing down and up because, well, it seems easier at the moment. At least to get these sides. I'll have to do the main part of this soon. So I'm going to sit here. I don't know how I'm going to get these videos ready because my laptop doesn't seem to be taking all the videos off my phone that I've been recording. So they may end up out of order very easily. And I'm going to have to deal with YouTube creators. Hopefully it doesn't crash on me again. I tried using it, didn't get one single video. No, I got one video up and then started crashing. It was amazing. Also, I am very pissed at World of Tanks right now. They got rid of my entire friends contact list and all of my messages, including the funny ones, where people were getting angry. So I don't know how I'm gonna rearrange things, but I'm going to try. Because granted, people are getting angry at YouTube, but still seems like a really fun way to do things. Sure, have a funny moment, share a funny moment. Doing something you think is cool, share it. Just no cursing allowed. Granted, cursing is like 90% of this day and age's youth. Contact me. But you never know. Maybe they'll fix it. Alright, I'm gonna go back to doing it. I don't have a phone stand, so just gonna see increments of me of this thing. This looks a lot different. Alright, I'm gonna be taking another break. Start sweating inside this freaking mask thing. Hate these things so much. I guess I'm not allowed to breathe with the rust, so. Well, I started doing the rim, and I realized the rim is extremely hard. Yeah. Started going down there. It turns out concrete is extremely hard to get off with a metal brush. Also, it's like harder than rust to get off. Never knew this. Wish we cleaned the wheelbarrow better every time we did it. Now that I know. So look at that. Probably gonna clean that too. Maybe these. Probably not these, but that. Because that's very important. Alright. I'll be going in. Almost fell backwards. Of how it looked after today.
If the card, don't use that card. I don't believe that you shouldn't be anticipating the $10 back.
Alright. So, this is as good as I got it. I'm going to be using high performance enamel. I did for tough enough for industrial applications. just always feel like something's in my hair. Hopefully this works. This is black plate. Hopefully these are the same blacks. Alright, so this is after the first coat. It's coming together mildly. I don't know if you can see this, but it looks like someone just put their hand right there. All I know is I've been using one finger and poking around, seeing which parts are dry and which parts aren't. Still sticky. Still sticky. We're apparently going to sand these and put polyurethane. Oh god. Feel the sponges trying. And then we're not cleaning this apparently. I'm apparently not allowed to. Despite how easy it would have been. Well, easy in thought. I don't think I'm going to get to sanding this. Shit, I just put my hand there. Alright. It's looking pretty good. 2 more coats probably. Then I'll be done. And we have a wheelbarrow again. Wheelbarrow with only one hole. This is what happens when you don't take care of it enough. You get a hole in the bottom. I lost it. There it is. Right here. There's another one forming, I think, over here somewhere, but paint probably covered it up. I would say this black paint looks very snazzy. I would say this black paint looks very good. I hit the wheel. Should I do inside there? Cause problems. More holes. So, stopped at the black paint. It's almost fully dry. Very nice. Then we're spray painting this red instead of sanding and plain polyurethane. Because we have a lot of paint in. Well, we might as well use it. Found out that there's another hole right there. That's actually still wet. The side is not though. Ah, you see right here, it should be, no, it's not so wet, okay. It's just the bottom that's still wet. This was done a lot later than these. There's a dent here, so I'm guessing that it was eating away enough that it was just like, I'm gonna almost pop through here. So in a little, I'm going to flip this over. And do, after I'm done with red, I'm gonna flip it over. That's what's happening this time. And I get to do black on everything else again. Alright, so it's the end of the day now. This is all we're doing for today. I don't think I'm going to do much of recording for tomorrow because it's going to be really just finalizing this paint. This is basically what's going to look like. We're not going to fix that. That kind of also looks pretty cool. This doesn't look cool, but no, we're not going to fix it. Its main purpose was to protect it. I forgot I did underneath this rim, but it shouldn't bother us too much. So we're done with painting that black. I flipped it over. See that I did the side of there. Flipped it over, did that. Flipped it back. Showed my mom. So this is basically the wheelbarrow done. From mild start to mild finish. Can't believe there's so many holes because we only thought that the cement was leaking out through this hole, but then it could have also been, the water could have been leaking out through here, and there was the last one somewhere on there. Maybe the paint fixed it. hope it did. I don't wanna... We made this last a long time. And the one thing I won't do is record videos in front of my family, because it's still technically weird for us, because I must do it. Technically besides me, but it's not an every time thing, so... I'm just glad that this isn't going to get bigger or relatively as fast anytime soon. If we get it scraped, just repaint it. I had to do that in the front here because like a numbnuts, when I flipped it over, it scraped. Both of the paint was fully dry. Alright, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna go inside and probably play video games or sit on the hammock. So we put up a hammock and it's quite good. Quite great for relaxing. Alright. Things like that is the reason why it's like this. Repainting. I forgot to let the pressure out of the hose. Let's see if there's pressure in this hose. I'm just gonna put it on down just in case. Oh, we're good. There's not much pressure. There's not pressure, just I'm gonna leak a little. There we go. Yes. This is our Savannah RC. Leading guys to do. Also, same we'll see out this summer. Seems like it's gonna be a good one. Alright, I told myself I'm most likely not gonna do anything else besides paint it, but I couldn't stand this plate. Couldn't clean it out here, so I took it off. Because I did, look. These are rusted. These could have popped at any point if we left it long enough in years. So yeah. Go downstairs, clean them, and then they're gonna be repainted with this. I could not stand it. It was terrible. Also gonna have to bring my thing to make sure that I don't breathe in things that are bad for me. But look, the worst part is look, these were squares. But I had to grab these to make sure that the heads didn't spin because it's just a circle in there. Don't know how to fix that though. Well, that just wasted battery. I thought I turned off my phone screen, but it turns out I did. So, what I've set for myself is to get rid of this concrete on this, concrete on that. See if I can, how much of this I can get. I don't think I can get this back because I'm using this. Yeah, it's just gonna butt up against it. I can't do it. So, this is what I'm using. I know I can get the rust off these. And then, yeah, you'll probably see afterwards when I'm done. Wow, it's amazing. I didn't think there were so many jump cuts when people did stuff like this. But now that I realize that, now that I'm doing it, I realize that, yeah, there's a lot of jump cuts. So, got it done. Didn't get it off. It's too short to get in here. By short, I mean the shaft itself is too short. I bumped up against the chuck once and I was like, nope, not doing that. Yeah, so that's done. The screws look like screws again. They're not going, I can't hand tighten them past this point. So happy there's something wrong, but we have no screws to replace it, so I'm gonna have to deal with it. So this is going quite well. So day 2, and I think we might be done, hopefully, after today. Alright. Skid. I think, I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna call it just a skid plate, 'cause it kind of reminds me of one. So, I'm gonna spray paint it, because I also have to spray paint this wood. And if I clean that, the metal thing's still on the drill press. So I'm trying to take this apart. Look how rusted this is. Yeah, I just realized I'm spinning the other side. What side is this? Tidy tidy. Lefty loosey. Probably, this doesn't really need to be in frame, but I'm just that good. Alright. This washer is on the top, just in case I need a reference. This bolt doesn't want to come out. Nothing the little hammer can do. There we go. Smack it hard enough, it'll come right out. A lot of cleaning ahead of me. I'm gonna leave these two on the side. I'm gonna need them again, really soon. Put the hammer back. And my plan is to do this. This. The bolt. And this. Where is it? Yeah, actually right here. I was like, I wonder how dirty this is. It's just freaking shiny compared to the brown. And I can't really record, but I would love to, but really can't. These type of things, at least. Alright, I'll keep going up until they're clean. Yay, transition! I almost forgot the most important part. Before I put it together, my sharpening tool is the Ken Onion. These two are together, it can't fit. This is basically what the other side sort of is. I think there's even a blade left. Yeah, that's what I have now. There's still a few nicks, but I'm not going to get it perfect. I don't want to damage my tool. It's just barely fitting in here. When I go all the way around, you can see it's starting to hit there. So yeah, let's see if I can get this one somewhere near the same as this one. And you can see where I clamped it right there. This is squishy. And we've had this for so long. I've never asked my dad why they're, instead of getting a proper grip again, we just put whatever tape this is. Electrical tape, there we go. So my phone just dimmed a little. My phone's about to die. Now next time you see me, we'll be outside when this is. So this will be the last, I think. Emphasis on thing. The rest is 90% gone. I won't say perfect because there's rust in this corner. Basically all the corners is rust. I hit this on the belt stand, but for some reason I couldn't get this part. Still feels perfectly smooth, so I guess this part was higher than this. So doesn't necessarily, if anything, it's still better than how it was before. why, but cell phones always zoom in when you go from picture mode to video mode. There's the screw bolt. I wonder. I saw this. I was like, could I jam my phone over here? Doesn't seem like I can. It's pointing up. So right around here is the lowest, I think. So yeah. I can't turn it all the way, which means that there is going to be something blocking it. I don't think it's a good idea to lubricate it either. And this would certainly come undone. Alright, where's that hammer? I love you anymore. Turns out, screw doesn't want to go through. It stops right around there. Oh, then it pops. Oh, it's meant to do that. I'm about to sit here and grind it gone. I mean, smack it gone, but it's supposed to do that. Oh, so that's why the... I don't know if the camera can see it, but there's a groove right there. I ain't noticed it before. So let's just pop that in. Grab the other side. Put that on top. Okay, so I do believe a washer, then nut, something like that. Yeah, that's not going. Nope, righty tighty. Don't want that too tight. Okay, just a tad bit too tight. Just gotta ease off just a tiny bit. Alright, let's see what that did. I think this is good because up until there it's just like free roaming, and then past that it's just a crunch. Oh, you guys see it. Probably could loosen it just a tiny bit more, but I'm trying to. I don't really have things planned out. Screw planning things out. I say that, and then sometime in the future I'm gonna start planning things out. Alright then. This is. I'm gonna fix it. I'm going to forget later to just loosen it like an eighth of a turn. There we go. Alright, let's go see how that does. I'm just gonna go grab a stick. pretty sizable stick. I think it's good sizable too. Ow. Start with one of the easier ones. Okay, that went a lot better than expected. Right through. Alright, let's try a bigger one. Right here. Don't even know you can see this. Then again, I didn't make this perfectly sharp, but that went really well. It used to not be... It originally was able to cut stuff like this, but it would always break. And one last one. The biggest of the mother. Just barely fits inside it. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with the blade. Does look like it caught on something, but no more divots for it to catch on. And now I know how to sharpen it. I think it's about prepared for the upcoming season. Chamamos. I'd say really good. Alright. So, this is our schematic RC. Signing out, goodbye. Have a great summer. And be productive with it. I'm gonna soon eventually run out of things to do, unfortunately. And then can't be productive anymore. But up until then, I will try my best to be productive. Productivity.